Step into your dream home in Coventry. Introducing Sky Blue Point, where luxury meets style, making your stay unforgettable. Choose from classic and premium ensuites that offer privacy and modern living. Each room features a cozy bed, a large desk and chair for late-night study sessions, and underbed storage to keep your space tidy. But that's just the beginning. Sky Blue Point boasts social spaces to connect with your peers, a games area to enjoy some leisure time, and a fitness suite to keep you agile. With all utility bills seamlessly included in your rent, you can enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle tailored to your needs. The location is perfect, with Coventry University and City College Coventry just a short distance away. Step outside to savor delights at the Food Hub. For nightlife, Gosford Arms is the perfect venue. Plus, the All Saints Square bus stop nearby adds transport convenience, making travel easy. So what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your ideal sanctuary at Sky Blue Point Coventry today.